Hi everybody, Basso Contour here, and today we're taking a look at this radio-controlled monster truck. And as usual, it's got the usual battery compartment down below that you put the rechargeable battery inside. And this product just has one little special setup that you need to do to pair the radio control unit to the vehicle. And the instructions are right here on the remote. And what you first do is you turn on the vehicle, just like that. And then what you do, you hold the trigger like this, and then you turn on the transmitter. And it's as simple as that. We are ready to go. Let's check it out. Overall, we had a lot of fun with this truck. It seemed to work very, very well, and the turning worked fine, forward, reverse. It's not nearly as fast as the dragster, the Panther dragster, but it's still a lot of fun anyway. As always, if you have any questions on this review, please post a note, and I'll do my best to answer your question. Thanks for watching, everybody.